What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with an update on Kaspa. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as you guys can see, in general, the crypto market has recovered a little bit since the initial flash crash. Bitcoin had dropped all the way down to 49,600, and now it's back to 56,000, or it's actually just under 56,000 right now. Now, I'll go over technical analysis at the end of the video, but just understand that there is a chance that we still see another drop. We are not out of the woods yet. There are still some significant levels that we need to get back above. But you can see down here, Kaspa is currently the 21st largest cryptocurrency, and they're sitting at a price point of just under 17 cents with a market cap of just over 4 billion. And I will say right now, Kaspa is holding significantly better than most projects right now. And that is exactly what you want to see. When Bitcoin is having a recovery, you want to see strength from your altcoins. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Kaspa X account. And at this point, they are up to 208,000 followers. But the big news recently is this repost from Binance on August 5th. Binance Pool launches the Kaspa mining pool. Enjoy zero pool fees with Kaspa mining. And a lot of people have been waiting for Binance news for a long time. So hopefully this can lead to a spot listing. And then on August 1st, Kaspa got listed on Probit. And this is the kind of news we love. We love to see new listings. In general, though, there's not a lot of super important Kaspa information since my last video. But honestly, that's kind of to be expected. In my opinion, they wouldn't release super bullish news while Bitcoin is getting hammered. But even without a lot of super bullish news, again, Kaspa is still holding very strong. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at some macro news. So Watcher Guru just posted 18 hours ago, over 1.4 trillion was wiped out from the US stock market today. And the day before that, over 1.93 trillion was wiped out from the US stock market. So I want you to understand that Bitcoin was getting hammered, but it wasn't the only thing getting hammered. Most assets in the world were getting destroyed. Now, what's awesome to see is 23 hours ago, BlackRock, Fidelity, Grayscale, and MicroStrategy have not sold their Bitcoin despite the market crash. And on August 5th, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF surpasses 1.55 billion in trading volume in the first hour of trading today. These are huge numbers, and it goes to show you the overall interest in Bitcoin. Now, what they posted on August 5th would be very interesting. And it's not only this guy. I have seen multiple people talking about emergency rate cuts. And if that happened, it might actually be bad right off the start, but eventually it could improve everything. Because usually when interest rates get lowered, risk-on assets thrive. So this would definitely be something to keep your eyes on. But in general, these last few days have been absolutely brutal. So as investors, there are a lot of amazing discounts right now. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we've been making some very nice gains in here. For example, just yesterday, I posted a buy alert for Hoppy at a $16 million market cap. And I have a picture posted here at 20 million, but it actually is currently sitting over 24 million. Those are well over 50% gains in less than one day. Not to mention, we initially called Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap and it ran up to over 80 million, which is well over a 100x. And if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. We are building a very strong community. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the daily time frame, and I'm going to be straight up, Kaspa looks a lot better than Bitcoin does. Obviously, it had the massive wick down to about 12.5 cents while Bitcoin dropped to 49,000. But it got bought up, and now we are still trading above the 200-day moving average. That right there is very important, and we love to see it. Now, if you look at the RSI and stochastics, they both have legs to keep going. They're very oversold right now. But I'm going to be completely honest with you. Even though Kaspa has been outperforming Bitcoin, I still think Bitcoin is truly what matters right now. Because if Bitcoin does get nuked again, Kaspa is just going to fall. Now, what's important to see for Bitcoin right now is that the flag or the falling wedge, whichever you want to call it, is still intact. We had broken beneath it, but it ended up getting a strong close. And similar to Kaspa right now, the RSI and stochastics both have legs to come back up. Now, what I am a little bit worried about is the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. A lot of people will look at this chart and say, okay, we look pretty good. We had a very nice recovery. But the way that I look at this is we are still beneath the 21-day, the 200-day, and the 50-day. Not to mention the 50-day just crossed the 200-day, which is a death cross. So in order for me to be bullish in Bitcoin again, I first need to see us get back above these levels. Mainly the 200-day, and the 200-day is sitting at about 62,400. But the first level is the 21-day, and we don't want to see a rejection. If we see a rejection, we could go even lower than we did previously. Now, I'm recording this video on the morning of August 6th, and you guys will be seeing this on the morning of August 7th. So you will already know whether or not we got rejected off of this level. But if we did not, then look for us to get back above the 200-day. But regardless of what happens, make sure you always enjoy crypto. This is the amazing thing about it. You can make life-changing gains, but you can also get hammered. You can't have the highs without the lows. So make sure you are prepared for all scenarios. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.